This flower is so beautiful. I love you so much. I wanna see you. I wanna feel you every single day. Coconut tree has some fruit, and then across the street is Eden Hotel. The hotel is open. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is where you are. How are you doing? Hope you have a fantastic day. It's Bobo here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a hotel tours, and the hotel I wanna show you today is called Bintang Kuta Hotel, and the street where I'm right now is called Kartika Plaza Street. The street seems a little busy today, and across the street there is a cafe. It's called Rips. Tiny small cafe, and looks popular. And then next to the cafe is the Rani Hotel and Spa. So this place is open. I was here this morning and I was just asking some permission to them to shoot some video, but unfortunately they don't allow me to do it, so that's why I don't have this hotel video on my YouTube channel. And there is some shop here open selling clothes, thongs, souvenir. Selamat siang. Apa kabar, bro? Mangarus?
Belum dapat, bos.
Belum.
Belum dapat, bos. Nggak ada tamu, bos.
Belum ada tamu ya? Ya, mudah-mudahan ntar dapat ya.
Ya, dapat.
Good luck. Larissa Spa and Salon across the street. The place is open. And there is a scooter food over there, you know, selling food by scooter. Alphamart convenience store, it's open. And this one here is the restaurant. Looks like it's still closed. And then there is a hotel across the street. The hotel is called Grand Exora Kuta Resort. It seems a bit busy. Bintang Kuta Hotel, that is the sign. So this is the hotel I want to share today, guys. So Bintang Kuta Hotel is next to Bintang Resort. So this is the entryway to the hotel. I'm gonna walk inside. Let's go. Selamat siang, Pak. There is some water fountain here, and the water is running so fast. And then straight over there was to the parking area. It's down to the basement. Gonna walk down to the lobby area, and this is the lobby area. There is some sofa here, sitting area. To my right over here is the front desk. Gonna walk down to the swimming pool. So this hotel has 164 rooms in total. Those are the rooms. Very nice floor. It wasn't wood. I'm not so sure what kind of material there's the floor. And this is the restaurant. Welcome to the swimming pool area, everybody. This is the swimming pool. To my left over here we have sunbath, some umbrellas, and then over there in the corner is pool bar. So this hotel is 4-star hotel. And then back of this hotel is the beach. It's just steps away. Very good location, and this hotel is about 10 minutes drive from Bali International Airport. Located at Kartika Plaza Street. Well, it's time to check out the room. Let's go. The room number is 226. I'm not so sure if you can see it. It's a little bit dark here. Let's walk inside. This is what you're gonna see as soon as you come in the room. Then to my right over here is the bathroom. There is a toilet over there, single sink, and then a huge mirror. Very nice, beautiful light. And there is a tissues over there. Trash can on the floor. And this one, there's the living room. So welcome to the living room, everybody. You can see there are sets of sofa, and then flat screen TV on the wall. There is round table here, beautiful chairs. Have a look at this side. This is a desk. Has some amenities here, mineral water, cups, glasses, then kettle. Once again, this is huge mirror on the wall. And under here we have This is the fridge. It's a small fridge. Let me open the fridge. It's so tiny, but the fridge is vacant. And this one is just some drawer. Let me open it up. The drawer is opened. And there is a trash can in here. Over there is big window. That is the view you can see from here. And then there is one more desk there with one chair, some switch, beautiful lamp. Again, one big mirror here. And this one here, I don't know what this is. If you guys know, please put comments down below, let me know. Hey, that's me, what's up? It is time to walk in the room. This is the room. King size bed. Very plain white sheet. There are 4 pillows. There is a nice light behind it. And then 2 nightstands without lamp. And in the corner of here, there is a flat screen TV. It's so huge. I don't know the size. There is a DVD player here underneath. Beautiful small table made of wood. And then there is a telephone here. One more desk in the corner. And then very large mirror. Beautiful lamps right in the corners. Again, some switch in here. I still don't know about this. Might be air conditioner. You guys please tell me about it. And this is the closet. Let me open it up. It's open. Oh man. This is good. Such a big closet. There is a safety box here. And then some drawer underneath. Umbrella. And there are some sleepers as well. This must be some space for you to put your suitcases. And let me walk back and then close the door. The door is closed. It is time now to check out the bathroom. Hey, what's up? Single sink. And then bathtub here. Looks big, very nice, totally beautiful. Towel rack out there. And over here, just some spaces for soap, shampoo, conditioner, small towel. And then right here on the floor, there is a trash can again. And this is just some space. And this one here we have the shower. This is the shower. I don't see any rain shower, so this gotta be handled only over there. Let's get out of the shower room. The next one I want to show you guys is toilet. This is the toilet. Sit-up toilet. Looks nice and cozy. Not too large, but it's very good. Well, it is time to walk out of the bathroom, and I will show you guys the room again for the last time. So this is what the rooms look like. Air conditioner over there on the top. It's so spacey and it's so clean. And from the window you can see the swimming pool. That is the view to the swimming pool. Well guys, this is it, my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to keep smiling.